Suitable thermocouples or RTD sensors or probes are used in the validation of autoclave. Minimum numbers of temperature sensors to be used for qualification study are 12 for sterilizers up to 1 cubic meter chamber usable capacity. And for each additional cubic meter of chamber usable capacity, use at least 4 sensors. Thermocouples uses 2 metal wires to produce a voltage relative to the temperature present in the junction between them. They can combine different metals to measure various characteristics and temperature ranges. A thermocouple having the operating temperature range 200 to 1750 degrees Celsius and having accuracy of 0.5 to 5 degrees Celsius. Response time is fast 0.10 to 10s. Resistance temperature detectors, RTDS, sensor measures temperature based on the resistance changes in a metal resistor inside. The most popular RTDS, called Part 100 sensors, use platinum and have a resistance of 100 ohms at 0 degrees Celsius. A RTD having the operating temperature range 200 to 650 degrees Celsius and having accuracy of 0.1 to 1 degree Celsius. Response time is generally 1 to 50s. For more videos and update, please subscribe our channel Ashish Namdev Pharmaceutical Learning Easy.